Now let's also get you the details of the 13 people who have been arrested in connection with the murder of Renuka Swami. There are 13 people who've been nabbed so far, and we're going to take the names one by one. You already know actor Darshan and actor Pavitra Gowda are arrested. The others arrested in the case are Vinay, Nagaraj, Lakshman, Pradosh, Pavan, Deepak Kumar, Nadish, Karthik, Nikhil Nayak, Raghavendra aka Raghu, and Keshava Murthy. Deepak is getting us these exclusive details. Now, one question on everyone's mind is, who are these people? What is their connection to Darshan and Pavitra Gowda? Are they members of the fan club who, reportedly tracked down Renuka Swami? And more than anything else, who is Renuka Swami? Why did Darshan get so affected by this person that led to a crime so gruesome?
Now we should note that some of the details that we've accessed, of course, suggests that there were many people who are involved in this crime. Now, this, of course, includes people who've, got hold of this individual, Renuka Swami, got him to a location. They were all operating at the behest of Darshan is the main charge that the actor is facing. He was brought to a shed where he was beaten up. So the people who've assisted in bringing this individual here, who've beaten him up, who provided this place where the attack has taken place, who've then dumped his body, all of these people have now been rounded up, and they are right now in the police station in custody. And they will be produced very soon before the magistrate, and a very detailed report will be filed, and we're expecting the police, of course, to brief and give us more details and clarity as to the involvement of the actor and his associates in this particular case. But the people, 13 people who've now been picked up, they have one or the other connection to the crime in itself, and that involves, of course, tracking down this individual, beating this individual, and then disposing his body too.
Just before I let you go, as you get us more details, when did the murder take place? What more details do you have about it? When did the murder take place? At what time of the day? Renuka Swami, do you have more details about who he is? What's his age? Did the police sources reveal anything more to you?
Right now the post-mortem is being conducted. The autopsy, of course, will be able to determine when exactly the death occurred in this case, because when the body was found, it was found by a security guard, and it was near a drain where it was dumped. So in all likelihood, the murder has taken place much before that. So the body was found on the 9th, towards the night, and probably you could assume here that it was anywhere between 24 to 48 hours before that when the crime has taken place and the death as well has taken place.
All right.
How long did they take to actually bring his body there and dump it? An autopsy report will be able to suggest more.
Right. So details still in the investigation remain very sketchy. All we know is that 13 people, including actor Darshan and actor Pavitra Gowda, all of them are arrested now. Details about their association with each other will be revealed in the investigation.